Guys, welcome back to the channel. We are halfway to funded on the Tradeify accounts. We have the trade review from Friday, so let's get that recording pulled up and let's see what happened on Friday, which was yesterday. So let's get this going. And for some of these, when I take the trades, I just don't have time to set up the recording because I take them from my phone. So I do apologize. We're already up $200 when I'm in the trade, but not hiding anything. You've seen my losses as well in here, so it just happened that way. But this trade was just based on the 30-minute closure. It just created a good support, and I didn't even I didn't even make it to where you guys could see the support and resistances plotted out on the left side, but it was moving so fast that I could barely get these orders set up. So that's pretty much why I believe I move it a little bit later, but it was a very simple trade. You can see how the last 30 minute was bullish. It was right at the this is the second 30-minute candle of the Asian session, and gold has just been moving at that time. Like, if the first candle is green and gaps up, usually the second one will be a continuation. So that's pretty much what I played off of here. There wasn't anything special, but this is kind of crazy. Like, you'll see so it hits the limit to a T, and then I drag my runner to break even as usual, and then we have the last two contracts. I'm just gonna hold until that final TP, which would be at the 4-hour resistance that it would be hitting. And so yeah, this was a 15-minute trade, but most of the position was out in 2 minutes, which is why it took me a second to get the recording started. I was literally just trying to get all this situated so I didn't miss my orders and stuff. And not too much happened. It was just playing around. This is kind of how I want my trades to be, to where it's literally just, it either hits the orders or it doesn't, and I'm not doing anything during the trade. So I literally just, I don't even think I changed the time frames. I'm looking at the same thing you guys are looking at when I'm in this trade. I'm adjusting the sizing and everything of the chart, but as far as doing anything with my positions, I'm not doing anything. So let's speed this up a bit more. So it looks like it's playing around. Oh, and then I get stopped out there, but we basically hit that TP to the T, and then it goes all the way back to break even. Fights around for a little bit, like it wants to still go further up, but then the 30-minute candle flips. So this was probably one of my best exits, as far as I got literally the maximum amount that I could have from that position, aside from if I just closed everything instead of having partials still open. But from here, it actually does just go, it just dumps for the next hour and a half, and then after that it does go higher, but that was the highest point of the position. So again, we are, you can see the account balance right there, so we are over halfway to our goal of getting these funded. So hopefully within the next week, 2 weeks, we will have 5 new funded accounts to work with. Another short and sweet video, but this is literally how I want my breakdowns to be. They match how I'm trading, which is I'm simplifying it, and you can see what I was playing off of. So I guess it wasn't a it was a 1-hour resistance that was the final target, but you can see how it played out. It was literally just a gap up, and then that next candle, because this first one closed above that 1 hour, I just expected it to at least cover 1 hour, which it did. So all right, appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you in the next one.